Hey everyone, I've got a really quick review and some installation tips for the easy pour replacement spout for your gas cans. The old spout on my Blitz can finally gave up the ghost. This one's one of the less annoying safety spouts to use. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It's 10 or 11 bucks. You can go price it down in the video description. I got a link there. It actually comes with a vent kit, a tether for the cap, a new spout, and 2 different collars in case you have different thread types. The spout itself has got a rubber gasket along the bottom for sealing, and it's also got a filter in here so you don't get gunk in your gas tank. And these caps also have a rubber gasket on here, so when you put them on, they seal. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install this, including the vent, which this can doesn't currently have. Luckily, these threads match my gas can perfectly, and installing the new spout is as simple as that. Then for the gas cap tether, let's put it around here. It's got a little retention spot, and pop through the cap. Alright, now for the vent, they specifically tell you not to use a twist drill bit, so I've got an old Forstner drill bit. I'm going to use this as a 1/2 inch hole, just drill it right through here at the top. And the reason they tell you not to use a twist drill bit is it will screw up this edge, and you need a clean edge for this to go in. There it is, there's your vent. Alright y'all, so I've got a follow-up because it took me a while to post this review. I liked this easy pour spout enough that I went ahead and bought the high flow version for my 5-gallon gas can. That one also comes, it comes with all the same stuff, including a vent. It also comes with a screw-on extension spout if you need to reach somewhere that this spout won't reach into. And I went ahead, I noticed I was getting some leakage around the vent hole because there's no gasket when you apply that. So I got some sealant that's gasoline resistant, and I'm going to see if that helps. I think it should. There's still a little bit of a possibility it could leak around here. That's only really when you pick up the can and splash it or if you knock it over. The spout itself, as long as you have this cap screwed on, the cap's got a rubber seal in it. I haven't had any leakage out of those even if I flip the can on its side or tilt it forward. The one problem I have seen with this vent, if you look at it on this corner here, you can see it's starting to break there at the little cap attachment tether. So that's not going to last long term. I'm a little bit disappointed by that. Super happy with both the spouts though. So hopefully this review was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below.